magazine, the one and two, gallery, photo, function, and Siam they are. And may I think of non some again, maybe release up to it. I request and to release our souvenir for the 25th anniversary.
I thankfully release the Jubilee
From similar wall.
Greeting you all and good morning. I was so much wonder when I was seeing this invitation in my office table. Since this thematic area portfolio will be the case of health minister, then I discussed with my PS, boy, I'm supposed to be there since I'm not the minister of health. Then Dr. Lalchhanzova and his colleagues came to my office and told me about the invitation since this eye care hospital is in my constituency. Then I was accepting this invitation. Looking to the intervention of this eye care hospital, it is about the technical and it is related to health. The people who are not from the health sectors somehow having some limitation in dealing with this type of health and its related. But as long as and as far as I have been working in NGO sector for the last 20 years, I am very much concerned about this intervention. And this morning, I am very much concerned with my knee because we have been a long relation since Young Women Christian Association was inviting application for counselor, if I'm not mistaken, in 2006. Then I was applying for the counselor in Young Women Christian Association. Then I was the first man. They had been taking counselor for women, but I am the first man who was appointed as a counselor in Young Women Christian Association. Dr. Zava, he is my boss, he is my mentor, and his wife, I call her Nununi because her name and my mother's name is similar. This morning, the audience, the people who are coming here are very much dynamic. Basically, you are coming from particularly for health sector, but from different part of the country. I'm really privileged that I have this opportunity to share about my vision and my philosophy. I really appreciated Dr. Lalchhanzova to be able to make this social service center. I call it social service center because the main goal is to serve the people. I have been going through different books about the capitalist economy. The biggest capitalist country is USA. the main strength of the USA is capitalist, because each and every expertise played their role from different sectors. The poor country like India and even more, Mizoram, need a lot of intervention of technical people to run this type of intervention. Because the government alone is not able to run this type of services. The thing coming to my mind is that you are asset of the government. Even more, you are the asset of the people. Moreover, you are the asset of poorest of the poor. Poorest of the poor are very much in need of strong technical services. We are very much far behind to compare with other states. I hope that this eye care hospital will be a center of excellence, a center of serving the people in need. And Dr. Zawa was pointing out that distributing what you have to the TNT, giving to the people, giving to the needy, serving to the people is not vanished somewhere, but it is coming back to us. This is, I am really tested. The reason why I am being here and I am being elected as MLA and I am being as a minister is also God give me a return. Dr. Sangi. Dr. Sangi is also my social work friend. I have been served to the needy people for more than 20 years. God has many things to give us back if we love what He has made. This is the mission, the vision we need to keep in mind. African proverb has rightly said that if you want to go far, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Let's work together. I may not be technically affluent to be this type of health, but I may be good to sensitize and aware the people. People in general do not understand about the technicality, but they will reap the result of your services. What I had discussed with Kuzawa is also, since he is the consultant in education. Kuzawa, what is your activities? Your activities should be seen, can be seen from the result of the education. How the standard of the education improved, not only improving the quality, how happy are the children. This will be the measuring tools for education also. I am very much concerned about the health sector because for more than 20 years, I have been dealing with poorest of the poor. Because our state is also very much in need of robust and prompt healthcare system. Because even though I am not the health minister, to make our state healthcare scheme be able to utilize, we need to work together. We need to surrender our ego also. Because people are seeing the doctors are very much egoist. You may not accept it, but your work is very, very high. Your status is very strong and honorable. But come down to the level of the people. More often, not always, but sometimes. So that the people will see your expertise. Then, as I had already mentioned that, I really appreciate this type of initiative. Not only depending on the government intervention, but initiating a private entrepreneurial intervention. If we are strengthening this type of intervention, then in a great manner, there will be a good healthcare system. I'm very much optimistic in making this intervention in a blooming stage. I'm also facilitating and promoting to the state government also. This morning, Urema has guided me to see the technical rooms. Some of the medical tools and equipments are very much high cost, around 3 crore. What thing come into my mind in the past also, if the government can buy this type of costly tools and equipment to the private clinics, private hospital, and if they can be paid without any cost, I mean, without interest, then we can improve our healthcare facilities in our state. This should be a win-win situation. The government will support the private player. Then the private player will also minimize their cost also. We can make it happen in our state. Then I am really appreciated the doctors, particularly Dr. Aniruddha Almighty. I am really appreciated what you have done for my Mizoram. Please try your best to serve Mizoram State. And Dr. Lalchhanzova, President Mizoram State Medical Council also. I am really recognized and appreciated what you have done for our state to improve our healthcare system, and request you to strengthen your arm in the future. And the doctors who are coming all the way from other states, we need your help and support us. And the state government of Mizoram will also be very much faithful, keeping our promises. And this morning, I am really appreciated the landlord of this big building, our Honorable Minister Jubilee-a, and his family also. This building is not your building. You are keeping the God's property. Then you are lending this building to High Care Hospital. God, I hope, will recognize what you did to Dr. Lalchhanzova. Oleh, Atira kasi Lalchhan, kan portfolio ni lawa min song hen, ano ba ko? Ipecho bu file ivela ala bun lai lo ni le boxia. Ama su constituency chu ni ba ka, toi tem so jong se su. Doctor ko ani me the social ka ko ani me the educationist ko ani me the sum do ko. Kan ram ta aset kan ni dilai ka tu su ni. Ka tho ko ma ka shira pe cho ni doctor zao mi lo se pe se. Doctor ke re sang khan songkan ne na. Chu tiang ka tiang su kan ra, chu tiang ai ke hospital su kan ra. Min pun tewa fati tu ni lau di ka ya. Sarkar chuan kan ai so khopuya kan lu le khopuya champhaya le thingka kham khala ya. Min dinge anti. Ramta dinge anti khoila ya food processing om. Khoila ya clinic kan lo hon. Azong chok zung su ma ka tho pui thei chawin eng tu ne ka tho pui chi di sarkar hi apro active job tu ni ti ka ya. Tuna cho soka kan fakala không phải kan vadila soka kalau in sunga kun rei tak kan proses kan yang tu kan lo kan we need to know our people in a deeper way. For example, kapung ka Uzawa Indonesia, sorry, Thailand. Uzawa Thailand missionary. Uzawa kan chút tiền chút ni ai tiền ai lo. Kan ram ni akal di chuan Uzawa ka soka kan ai lo na si. Let me mention again Dr. Sani also. Dr. Sani ka po sociologo kan sir ni. Masih kan background sih namanya. Masih soka ni Dr. Sani kan na si. Akhir po hello ni. Soka to pakat ang bak sana ni na si. Kasi itong takso kasi soka yan kan economy at i-chanan din. Kan healthcare system po at saka natulihan. Kan ego hi kan huluyan tekla. Ani le kini kan intia kan sisela social media ay bay faka. Mi puin. Isang ba yang tuan tak tahu. Ani tak kasuan health minister ni teh umur sok kasuan mana istilah kasuan cak belum kan. Masih di health saya every lock has a particular key. Tala zong yan cak di kanan ni kan health practitioner kepo. Chak di khana hoi ngai be ko ni kan thopui tiam chu chuan you are so friendly chu zok chu ni eng ti zo ba her chi nge what we need to use to open her ka kan tiam chuan I thopui the lo ko mi so ni tu ma ko la kan lo chat na lai kan nei ve chu kan chat na lai chu is not only welcome not only appreciate if we can celebrate together or expertise. Chút tiền kan ti trong kan ro ni nu em te no. Anu mang ti ka rin tla ni. Ke ma chang su ta lo pi toi te ari parang ti ko ra. Food civil supplies be ki chu ti na kal mo po. Amol po ni ma ya khang le a. Ko ka chen he chon bu fa shem tu ni lo na ro ren ka ma. Land revenue and settlement a kher ki chuan. Land revenue and settlement minister he surveyor zong staff zong in. Kim te pon tu am lo cái đó này corrupt lo cái đó này trong trong sự police. Dim na tu om lo top yan pa son ka tu ni. Ema a minister ber kha ram zong du ma diram ri hok nai tu kan chuan tu man ni za don no le de video a khel ki chuan champion ka ni en ti na ka koi lo media ko la ko se ka koi ki ni mi pia ma ya no pa sa lo kala kapu kum sai ka ta khang karam nin te saka tapi iram yang salah biar lakukan PC. Sokar surrender to 30% itu asal fame dia asal ya sokar lembing tu ganda India. Kepon ngai chade un koma after 7 years karam pas kan in so. Aram nei tu sokar asal la ni lo ya. Asal la ka lembing ami dah lu le so. Tak mai lo cuti tu lo. Cuti yang so Lian di binu kan masuna. Pol la masuan. Kana info ya. Miso to ngai na kan dia kan soya. Amor su kan dia na thu nei na lo thenian. Midang ma ngai na tak kha. Kan lan tiu shi lo la hi. Avio. Tu na pore som ka kan in no na food security ya kan ko ta ni chu mi noi sari sao ni sari som ko paru ni mi khim noi sari sao ni sari som ko paru te hi ai thi thi chon khan chan thu ka chang mai se bu fai man to pia ka sa to paru mi lo mà xem nuôi sản xuất lúc này sống có còn một khác ông thì đều cái khả năng phun cho vào khăn người thì cái cả vara mình to là phẳng ấy mình người thì cái lần chẳng có chẳng mày xe tiền cho này hết kia là bao nhiêu không sáng sáng ông thì dọc tên ở đây thì dọc cái chẳng có cái chủ gì khác welfare scheme để bồi ông cảm thật là cái gì sự cái này bồi hết tiền hôn hôn ít cả không được để thì cả lắm thế mà khu đồ có cái gì á nó chỉ nghe health minister nhiều supply minister cái gì mà chỉ cái sao cái thì cái chú biết mình làm sao thế thì con mình đi làm lại lại cái mình sẽ phải sắp lại đâu mấy đâu nha ok I Care Hospital be a center of excellence always. Be a center of services to the people in general and to the poor in particular. Hello, me.